sunken cheeks naturally stop looking tired and aged. Take a deep breath and puff out your cheeks with air as much as comfortably can like a balloon. Keep your lips pressed tightly together, prevent any air from leaking out. Using the pads of your fingers, and gently tap on your puffed out cheeks and place your fingers on your filled room area so not to make wrinkles. Tap rapidly for a few seconds, take 15 or 20 seconds, then left and then right. Slowly exhale through your nose and relax. Repeat this cycle 3-5 times. This tapping motion stimulates blood flow to the surface, which can give your face a natural healthy glow, improve skin elasticity. This exercise helps fill out the hollow areas, creating the appearance of higher, fuller apple cheeks. Take a sip of water and hold it in your mouth. Forcefully move the water from the left cheek to the right cheek after holding it and continue for 20 to 30 seconds. Then swallow the water and relax. The water acts as a weight to build the cheek wall and fill sunken areas. It straightens the inner muscle to reduce a hollow look. It forms the muscle along the jawline through constant pressure. Fill your mouth with the air so your cheeks are fully rounded. Slowly tilt your head back to look directly at the ceiling. Move the air inside your mouth up only from your upper lip like you do gargling, and move your head upward slowly and then come to the center and repeat few times. It straightens muscles responsible for high apple cheeks. Open your mouth and drop your jaw to form a long O shape. Fold your upper and lower lips over your teeth so they are completely hidden. Place your index and middle finger on the apple of your cheeks. Try to smile using only your cheek muscles while keeping your teeth covered. Use your fingers to feel the muscle tightening and resisting the movement. Hold the lift for 5 to 10 seconds and pulse the muscle 10 times before relaxing. It specifically builds the muscles that sit right under your eyes above your jaw, filling in sunken areas. Straightening this muscle provides a natural lift to the skin, making the face appear more youthful. Use your thumb and index finger to create a pinching or clumping shape. Begin at the center of your chin or the corners of your mouth. Pinch the jawline firmly by gently sliding your fingers upward, outward toward your ears. Perform this 5 to 10 times on each side of your face. It helps move fluid away from the face, reducing a bloated or puffy look. Form a loose, relaxed fist with both hands. Place the flat part of your knuckle just under your cheekbones near the side of your nose. Apply firm but comfortable pressure. Slowly glide your knuckles upward and outward along the underside of the cheekbones. Continue the movement all the way up to your temples. Lift your hands, return to the starting position. Repeat this swiping motion 10 times. This deep tissue muscle helps carve out the area under the cheekbones, making them appear more prominent and defined. Take a deep breath and fill your mouth with air so your cheeks are fully puffed. Place your index and middle finger firmly over your filled room, and this prevents the skin from wrinkling and forming line while you hold the air. Direct the air pressure upward toward your nose and cheekbone. Hold the pressure for a few seconds. By blocking the air from escaping through the lips, you force the pressure upward, which specifically targets and builds the apple parts of your cheeks. Place a pencil horizontally between your lips. Use your only lips to hold it. Do not use your teeth. Pulse your cheeks upward toward your eyes. Perform 10 or 15 pulses. Keep the final lift for 5 seconds.